Good afternoon, everyone. It's our finale with RMI Professional Corporation once again. I hope everyone's had a great past week and looking forward to the end of the month here as we approach the end of June. We'll finally get some time, hopefully, for things to slow down in our office and catch up on life, as we say, coming into summer. So over the last couple weeks, I've actually had some other interesting topics that have been approached to us in the office. And one is how to deal with CRA in some finicky situations, let's say. So couple instances right now, we have a lot of people in the crypto market, for example, made a lot of money last year, owe taxes for last year, and unfortunately as the calendar switched the years and tax filings got done, we've seen a big drop in not only the crypto market but stocks as well. So some people are paying capital gains from last year, but they don't have the capital available to pay their tax bill because the markets have dropped a lot. So in that situation, what can we do? Well, simple is request a CRA. They will work with you. They will do some payment arrangements. Typically, they want to see their balances paid within 6 months, and they will continue to charge you interest. But there are options available, so always talk to a tax professional and they can walk you through the process, assist with negotiating with CRA, and making sure you can actually pay your tax bills on time. Now the nice thing is if the market does continue to stay low for the rest of the year, there will be most likely some losses approaching in 2022, which then those losses can be carried back to 2021 capital gains, and you can reduce your tax balance that way as well. Another situation that's come up is we've had some clients come back to us saying, well, they forgot to disclose stuff in the past and they're not sure what to do on that side. And another good example here is using CRA's Voluntary Disclosure program. Now, what's nice about this is as long as CRA is not notifying you about misfilings or anything like that, or if CRA is not aware of a situation, we're able to file you under the Voluntary Disclosure program and a lot of times get any interest as well as penalties waived in those occasions. Good example might be somebody who's out of country for a year, but they're still basically a resident of Canada because they have a house here, families here, so they never file taxes. In that instance, we might be able to go under voluntary disclosure, deem you as a resident of Canada, we file everything. You will owe your taxes, of course, but the nice thing is any interest and penalties could be waived under the program. Same thing applies in some situations where you're not sure if you need to file, so you never did, but now all of a sudden you realize you need to, or if you forgot to disclose something in the past. So it's a very good program, but you want to make sure when you go through that program, you file it correctly, you file it to CRA properly, you give the proper wording to them so they can help, so you can make sure it gets approved, and when it does get approved, it can save you tons in interest and penalties. So once again, it's our finale with RMI Professional Corporation. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or our office here, and we're looking forward to chatting next week. Thanks.